This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a Nomad, natural interior, sleeps 4, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features Murphy bed. This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.